I'm going to start with the vine. Start down at the base here. I'm just going to pinch that off, curl it around. Okay, and then another one going off the other way. If it isn't going to stay where you want it, just put a dot of frosting there and it will. And I think I want one more up the middle. We're going to have flowers along this. We unraveled. This is really dry, so I'm going to use a little water on it to convince it wants to stick together. All right, let's go ahead and put our main focal flower first and hope it sticks. It's kind of a heavy flower for this cake. Now I think we're going to have to give it some help. So I'm going to use a piece of spaghetti to help it because the cake's pretty soft. I do tell them about the spaghetti because it's hard if you crunch into it, you know. Okay, then my flowers. I want one down below. I need to see this, sorry. And I start with the big ones and work, you know, smaller. This one also, it's on an edge, so it might need a spaghetti piece as well because it's, we'll see. If it stays there or not, I don't think it's going to. That was the one I made earlier. And a little one up here. And I'm going to place our little guys in. I need to turn it around. So I'm going to do is just place on my little ribbon roses. I like to do them in sets of 3, although you don't have to. 1s and 3s. Do I have a smaller one? Little guy, I want a little guy. And let's get some of these leaves on. I don't know if I'll be using the really big leaves, but I'm going to use the little ones. Again, I need to turn it around so I can see it. Let's use the right size leaf for these. Okay. And I don't think I'm going to be using my little white guys. So I decided I'm not using them. Okay, I'm going to put a couple big leaves down here by my lily type flower. And again, they need the skewers, the little spaghetti skewers. So there's one. And I need one more. Yeah, one more down here. So you just press it in. It's just fondant, so it goes in fairly easy. Cut it off. I put a little frosting on there, so it's got a little extra stickum at the bottom. Okay. So here you have a simple smocking cake. Quick and easy to do for any family occasion, birthday, confirmation, baptism. Enjoy.